You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this interesting name that gets a lot of people confused indeed. If you want to learn more confusing names from Scotland, Gaelic names, I've got more videos for you, stay tuned. From the Highland Scottish clan, MacLeod. MacLeod. Yeah, so it's a bit like cloud, really. MacLeod. MacLeod is how you say it, how to pronounce MacLeod. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.